Mama Empoleon here, introducing the Rogue Empoleon.
Here with my cousins and my TT. My uncle. My cousin. You want to be on camera.
You're on YouTube.
You want to be on camera.
Me too.
You're on camera.
Wow.
Thank you.
With my cousin Maddie also. Deuces. You on YouTube. Just hanging out, watching TV. Me and my cousin were about to watch the anime of
Yeah, it's
the anime movie. So yeah, but we couldn't find it.
You're like being greedy.
English dubbed. I can't remember what it was called. Oh yeah, Death Note. And nice and sunny, nice and sunny. So guys, that's just basically it. I don't usually make YouTube videos on the weekend. Ooh, nice ribs, nice ribs.
Not nice ribs. I'm going inside to put the vegetables on.
My cousin's canoe fishing. My other cousin's right here beside me. Come on. He's a nerd when it comes to being on camera. Ain't that right, Chandler? Knock the boy. My cousin Maddie again.
Ew, my feet.
Don't get in.
Hi. My sister. I got your bad side. This freaky owl my uncle brought. Every time I come downstairs to get a snack, this is awkwardly here. So everybody, let's dance, everybody.
Inside to do the veggies.
Bonsai.
People stupid.
My daddy. My other uncle sleeping. And my papa sleeping.
It's just something to watch.
So guys, thanks for watching the video.
Let's redo that. Hi, I'm Madison. I'm Ryan's cousin. He's a good videoer. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. And goodbye.